way, and I feel like the Barbs heard it, and the next thing you know, I started a worldwide trend. What can I say? And as soon as we get the